want to show you from a governance demo standpoint, dynamic row level security that you can do in your enterprise data model. And I can show you how, as an administrator, I can test and show how different users have different access. We can configure dynamic out-of-box with our solution, comes with dynamic row-level security at the entity level. We will read your OneStream entity security and apply that to the model so that at the time that users are viewing reports, they'll only see their data. Now, I am an administrator, so I can see all of my data, but perhaps I want to look at a subset of data. So I'll look at Monica Rosie. Monica Rosie is configured to be able to see total Gulfstream. So you'll notice as I'm viewing the report as Monica, the list of entities I can see now are only total Gulfstream and any of the base members under total Gulfstream. If that base member exists under an alternate currency, she can see that base member as well, but none of the parents from that hierarchy because she hasn't been given access in OneStream. Richard, you are our Houston area manager, and you can only see Houston data. So you'll see as I'm viewing the report as Richard, I can only see Houston and those children members. So again, implementing that dynamic row level security in the model gives you that governance and scalability.